Hello my beautiful friend and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna talk about a company that we haven't spoken much about as of late, but it's a company that's near and close to my heart. It is Square Enix, and so this is an article by Game Rant. Square Enix game profits are up 1900%. But all is not well. This is sadly a thing that has been written on the wall for several years now. Let's just dive into the story. Maybe the author Dominik Boschniak will probably tell us about it. I know you didn't see that. Maybe you heard it, but my card tower just fell over. But yeah, it's spooky in here. The Phasmophobia update is here with a new reworked map, but that's something else. Square Enix core video game business experienced a 1900% uptick in profit during the second quarter of the calendar year 2025, ending the 3-month period 1 billion yen in the black. However, the company's latest financials still show some signs of concern for Square Enix investors. After peaking in 2012, Square Enix operating profits has been on a decline for 2 full years before finally returning to growth in late 2024. However, its overall financials for the fiscal year 2025 that ended this March revealed a 20% operating income decline from 40 billion yen to 32 billion. The equivalent of $216.5 million based on today's exchange rates. Okay, interesting. Square Enix reports mixed quarter 2 2025 results. On August 8th, Square Enix published its consolidated financial results for the first quarter of its fiscal year 2026. I hate fiscal years. It just doesn't make any sense. Oh yes, we have another year on top of another year. It's just say it's from January to December. Come on, don't bullshit us. It's not just Square Enix, it's every fiscal year. I just don't like it. Covering the April-June 2025 period. The report was another mixed bag from the Japanese gaming giant, revealing a 15% decline in quarterly net sales, which accounted to 16 billion yen, approximately $401.3 million, during the observed period. Company-wide operating income was also down over 16 points, dropping from 10.8 billion to 9 billion. Damn. Yen. Over the course of the previous quarter. The decline is largely attributed to the lack of high-profile Square Enix games during the reported period. Yes, and as much as I love it, Final Fantasy XIV has been on a decline. And it really sucks. It really hurts. I mean, my Secret Labs chair is the Final Fantasy XIV one. I love Final Fantasy XIV. I love Final Fantasy. But it's been on a decline and I really do not like it. Square Enix HD games business sees sharp profit growth. I hope so. However, as noted by The Gamer, operating profit in the HD console and PC video game segment rose from 0.05 billion to 1 billion, yen. That's approximately $7 million, a staggering 1900% increase. The company leadership attributed the margin rebound to lower development cost, nice, amortization and reduced marketing spend compared to the second quarter of the calendar year 2024. In plain terms, Square Enix sold fewer big games, but it also ate fewer past project costs and spent less on advertising, so its profits in the HD segment still rose substantially. That's very good. Square Enix digital entertainment business has declined. Yes, because, wait, does the author cover this? The broader digital entertainment segment, which includes everything from Square Enix mobile games and MMOs to amusement parks, posted net sales of 33 billion yen, down to... What? How is this a decline? Oh, down from. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. Down from 44 billion a year prior. Its operating income reached 8.1 billion, 17% year-over-year decline. Yes, MMO net sales and operating income both declined compared to quarter 2 of 2024. But mobile operating profit marginally increased from 3 billion to 3.3 billion yen. Unit volumes also slipped, with Square Enix selling 4.01 million physical. Why is this separated? Oh, is this yen again? 0.56 million. I don't understand the separation here. And digital games, 3.45 million during the quarter, down 8.65 points compared to 4.39 million sales. It reported for the same period 12 months ago. Okay, we're at the end of the article. This is a very long article. I did not expect this. As the earnings were released after Friday's close on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, their impact on the company's share price is yet to be seen. The group is presently trading at about $72 per share, up to 78% since the last start of the year. November 2025 will mark the halfway point. 36 months reconstruction plan. Oh yes, that was last year. Titled Square Enix Reboots and Awakens. I'm really excited for that. The strategy aims to streamline development processes and revamp business targets with the goal of focusing on fewer, higher quality games. It also aims to strengthen Square Enix multi-platform strategy after the company's exclusivity deal with the PlayStation comes to an end. Finally, which is expected to happen following the release of the final entry in the Final Fantasy VII Remake trilogy, which is likely to be a timed PS5 exclusive. Oh, thank God it's over. Holy crap, it's been such a long time. So let's just see what Square's stocks are up to. Square Enix, there you are. No, wrong one. Oh no, it's the right one. It fell from 64.35 euros to now 62-ish euro. Yeah, I mean, that's 2 euros less and or your regional equivalent. But I'm really excited to see what will happen with Square over the next year. Damn, I should have invested last year. I would have doubled my money. Crap. But yeah, that's just the stock market. Doesn't really matter. No, it does matter, but still. For me now, it doesn't matter anymore that I haven't invested last year. But yeah, I'm just here waiting and watching for new and awesome Square Enix games. I just want it to be better because I just love Final Fantasy so much. It was such a big part of my childhood. I've spent years of game time probably in Final Fantasy games. Holy crap, I just don't know how much time I've spent in them. Especially Final Fantasy XIV, holy damn. With basically doing everything until Endwalker. Was it Endwalker? I think it was Endwalker. I just haven't played the last one because I just didn't have the time, and then I saw the reviews for it and it was like, maybe I'm not going to buy it. But yeah, I just hope it gets better. The Avengers game was crappy. It was really crappy. The whole we're going after NFT bullshit. It was so dumb. It was so incredibly dumb. But yeah, let's just hope it gets better over the next year. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section down below. I'm keen to know what you have to say. And while you're here, please remember to do all the things that make the By that, I of course mean like and subscribe, and if you want, you can share this video with your friends. But until then, have a great day, my friend. Stay fantastic, stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, bye, bye.